Hello, Finance Homefront viewers. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's analysis. If you enjoy staying ahead on the latest market trends and cryptocurrency insights, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with our newest content. Remember, this discussion is for informational purposes only. I'm not offering financial advice here, so always do your own research and consult a professional before making any investment decisions. Today, we're diving into Ethereum's recent price action and the potential for a major turnaround. With competition from emerging smart contract platforms and big institutional moves signaling a shift, Ethereum's chart is showing a fascinating setup that could hint at future growth. Let's get into the details and explore what might be next for ETH. Ethereum ETH stands at a critical technical juncture, hovering near a pivotal price level that has historically marked major price rebounds for the cryptocurrency. As of late October, Ethereum has yet to break free from a downtrend that has seen its value decline by over 5%, placing it on track for its first October loss in nearly 6 years. Despite these headwinds, there are indications of a potential turnaround, bolstered by technical support levels and market metrics that could signal the groundwork for a substantial price recovery. In particular, Ethereum could be primed for a rally that extends toward the $6,000 mark if key support and capital rotation trends hold firm. The Ethereum market has observed increased volatility over the past month, with prices testing the strength of the $2,400 zone, a level that represents the lower boundary of an ascending channel pattern. This channel has been forming over multiple months, providing a structural support area that has historically propelled prices upward. The last time Ethereum approached this lower trend line, it initiated a powerful uptrend, which saw its value increase by more than 160% between October of last year and March of this year. If Ethereum sustains this support level, the cryptocurrency may once again follow a path toward the channel's upper boundary, with a potential target near $6,000 in the coming months. Adding to this optimistic outlook is the weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Ethereum, which has recently bounced from a historical support zone. The RSI is a momentum indicator that helps traders gauge the strength of buying and selling pressures, often signaling a reversal when it reaches certain levels. Ethereum's current RSI reading suggests that selling pressure may be slowing, aligning closely with its test of the channel's lower boundary. This pattern, if sustained, could act as an early indicator for an upward movement, reinforcing the possibility that Ethereum is approaching a strategic reversal point. Ethereum's broader market dynamics also show signs of accumulation, particularly from institutional investors. On October 25th, data from blockchain analytics firm CryptoQuant reported a significant outflow from the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange. An anonymous wallet withdrew over 543,000 ETH in a single transaction. This amount, valued at over $1.3 billion, represents one of the largest Ethereum transfers in recent months. In blockchain markets, large-scale outflows from exchanges are often viewed as bullish signals because they typically indicate that investors are moving their holdings to personal or institutional wallets for long-term storage, reflecting a shift away from active trading. Such substantial withdrawals have historically coincided with price rallies, as they suggest that a group of investors, potentially institutional players, are positioning themselves for potential long-term gains. This recent transaction also mirrors another significant movement in August, where nearly 700,000 ETH, worth around $1.8 billion, was transferred from Coinbase. These large outflows within a 3-month period lend credence to the theory that institutional interest in Ethereum is on the rise. CryptoQuant analyst Burak Kismechi pointed out that these recurrent outflows may reflect a growing belief in Ethereum's future value, especially as the cryptocurrency approaches what some view as undervalued levels. Ethereum's current setup is also influenced by its comparative position to Bitcoin and other major assets, particularly as market participants evaluate alternative platforms for smart contract applications. From a technical standpoint, Ethereum is now trading near its long-term ascending trendline support against Bitcoin. This support level, combined with an oversold RSI reading, suggests that Ethereum may be positioned for a price rebound relative to Bitcoin. Historically, when Ethereum has bounced off this trendline, it has marked the start of a period known as altcoin season, a phase during which alternative cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, tend to outperform Bitcoin. The emergence of an altcoin season would further bolster Ethereum's price trajectory, potentially driving it toward its $6,000 target as traders and investors reallocate capital from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Solana, one of Ethereum's closest competitors in the smart contract arena, has also experienced impressive gains against Ethereum over the past year. Between June of last year and the present, the SOL-ETH trading pair has surged by approximately 900%, marking a new all-time high in October, with Solana valued at approximately 0.0710 ETH. However, the technical indicators now suggest that Solana's rally may be overextended, with the pair's weekly RSI surpassing the 70 threshold, signaling that Solana could be due for a pullback against Ethereum. As Solana potentially retraces some of its recent gains, Ethereum may benefit from a capital rotation, with traders seeking more balanced risk-reward dynamics. The weekly RSI and volume trends in the SOL-ETH pair further support the case for a correction in Solana's price relative to Ethereum. Overbought conditions, such as those observed in the SOL-ETH RSI, have historically led to retracements, with the pair often reverting to its 50-week exponential moving average, EMA. This potential downward adjustment could represent a roughly 35% decline for Solana against Ethereum, creating a favorable environment for Ethereum's price growth as capital rotates from Solana back into Ethereum. One of the factors that has tempered Ethereum's performance recently is the mixed reception of Ethereum-based spot exchange traded funds, ETFs. While ETFs are often viewed as a vehicle for broader institutional and retail access, the market response to Ethereum-specific ETFs has been muted compared to similar Bitcoin-based offerings. The primary reason for this difference is that Ethereum faces mounting competition from newer platforms like Solana and other Layer 1 solutions that aim to provide faster and more cost-effective smart contract capabilities. The influx of alternatives has created a competitive environment, compelling Ethereum to adapt by accelerating its own scalability and efficiency improvements through the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade and other updates. Despite these competitive pressures, Ethereum remains the dominant player in decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, sectors that collectively represent billions of dollars in locked value and trading volumes. Ethereum's established network effects and the substantial developer ecosystem supporting it contribute to a resilient foundation that newer platforms have struggled to replicate. As a result, while competition may lead to temporary price adjustments, Ethereum's market position remains strong, with a considerable amount of value still anchored to its blockchain. Ethereum's technical structure and macro-level factors provide a framework for a potential rally that could carry it toward the $6,000 level by the end of the year or early into 2025. For Ethereum to reach this target, it will need to maintain its current support level around $2,400 while gaining momentum from capital inflows and market reallocation trends. The cryptocurrency's ascending channel pattern suggests that a sustained move above this lower boundary could lead to a gradual approach toward the upper range near $6,000 over the coming months. In addition to technical support, Ethereum's macroeconomic outlook could be bolstered by institutional and retail investment in the digital asset space. If global interest rates stabilize or decrease, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum could attract renewed interest from investors seeking high growth opportunities. Moreover, as Ethereum continues to refine its network with ongoing upgrades and enhancements, it may increase its appeal to developers and users alike, providing a steady source of demand for ETH tokens. The rotation of capital out of other major cryptocurrencies, particularly as investors seek undervalued altcoins, adds to the case for Ethereum's potential growth. With Bitcoin's price relative to Ethereum testing key support, and Solana's recent performance suggesting overbought conditions, Ethereum may emerge as an attractive choice for those seeking to balance risk with growth potential. Ethereum's journey toward reclaiming its upward trajectory is shaped by a combination of technical support levels, evolving competitive dynamics, and signals of institutional interest. With its price currently testing the $2,400 support level within a long-term ascending channel, Ethereum faces a pivotal point. Historically, this channel's lower boundary has acted as a launchpad for substantial rallies, and if Ethereum can maintain this support, it may follow a path toward the $6,000 target. Moreover, the ongoing outflows from exchanges like Coinbase highlight the potential for institutional accumulation as investors move Ethereum holdings into long-term storage. These large transfers, coupled with Ethereum's technical setup, suggest that market participants are positioning themselves for a period of growth. Additionally, as Solana and other competitors reach potentially overbought levels, a rotation of capital back into Ethereum could further reinforce its price stability and growth prospects. As the year progresses, Ethereum's future will depend on its ability to navigate both technical and fundamental challenges. The cryptocurrency's established role in decentralized applications, its robust development community, and its adaptability to emerging trends all serve as strong assets in a rapidly evolving market. While newer platforms continue to make inroads, Ethereum's foundation remains resilient, providing a promising outlook for investors considering its potential return to higher price levels. In sum, Ethereum's technical and fundamental factors align to form a cautious yet optimistic forecast for the cryptocurrency. If it can maintain its current support levels and capitalize on shifts within the broader cryptocurrency landscape, Ethereum may very well be on a path toward substantial recovery and growth, with the $6,000 mark as a potential milestone by the close of the year. That wraps up our look at Ethereum's current price levels and the potential for a big rebound. As we've seen, the charts and recent moves by institutional investors could point toward exciting times ahead for Ethereum. It's definitely something to keep an eye on as we move into the end of the year. If you found this analysis helpful or have your own thoughts on where ETH is headed next, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your insights. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things finance and crypto. Don't forget to give this video a like to let us know you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching Finance Homefront, and I'll see you in the next one.